Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Roblox username for free in 2021. If you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do first is open up a new internet browser, and we just want to come across to roblox.com. And if you haven't already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So you can see at the moment I've got my username different to my display name. This is my display name here, Digital YT, and my username is up here, Digital Tutor YT. So what you're going to want to do is normally you would come to the settings, which is this icon up in the top right hand corner. If you gave that a click and come to settings, and this is where you would come to change your username. So to change it, what you need to do is click the edit icon next to your username, which is this little pencil and paper. But what's going to happen is you'll see they're actually charging you 1,000 Robux to change your username, which if you want to do that, that's absolutely fine. You can go ahead and buy the Robux to change it, but you know, if you don't want to change that because it's quite a lot of Robux, there is a way around this. So to do this, I'm going to show you what to do. You need to come across to google.com in the new tab, and then you want to go ahead and type Roblox support, and then just click the top result that comes up. And what it's going to do is ask you to fill out some information. So what you want to do is type the in the first name, you want to actually put part of your username, and then what you want to do is just put your email address in, confirm the email address. So I'm just blanking some of this out because it's starting to come up with some of my actual personal info. And once you've done that, so I've got my first name, my usernames put in, and my email addresses. What I'm then going to do is come down and click where it says what device are you having the problem on. So you just want to click on that and select your device. In this example, I'm going to put PC. And then what you want to do is where it says type of help, you want to give that a click and basically come and click onto this one here, user safety concern. And then you just want to come down and click onto this one, inappropriate experience or user behavior. So that's all ready to go. And what you're going to want to do is just type this in the box below where it says description of issue. I'm just going to paste, add it copied, ready. So you want to put hello Roblox. I am the mother of a child, and it has caught my attention that my daughter's last name is in her username. In fact, it has been involved twice, and I am outraged by this. It is also frustrating that it costs in real life money to change this. She does not want to change accounts, as she says she has spent many Robux on this account, but cannot save up enough to change her username. I wish to change her username as soon as possible as I am concerned for her safety. So you can copy that word for word if you want to, or you can literally put it in your own words but in that kind of context. Once that's done, what you want to do is go ahead and click the submit button. Normally they're quite quick to get back to you. It's normally a turnaround of about 24 hours. Sometimes it can take a bit longer, but from past experience it's normally about 24 hours. And once that's done, 90% of the time they're going to come back and say, okie dokie, because it's like a privacy and to do with exploitation and all that kind of thing, 90% of the time they're going to come back and say, that's fine, we can change that for you, no problem. And yeah, you'll be able to go ahead and change your username completely free without paying 1,000 Robux. If an updated method does become available, what I'll do is link a video at the top of the screen right now. But if you don't see a link, then just bear in mind that this is the most up-to-date and efficient method at the moment. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.